I will now explain the summary of financial results for the second quarter of the fiscal year ending March 2026. The financial results for the second quarter of the fiscal year ending March 2026 were as follows. Net sales were 122.7 billion yen. Operating income was 17.8 billion yen. Ordinary income was 18.4 billion yen. And net income, including extraordinary income, was 12.7 billion yen. Both net sales and profit were lower than the same period of the previous fiscal year. However, both net sales and profit exceeded the forecast announced on August 7th. Amid increasing uncertainty in the business environment, we were able to achieve better results than expected in the first half of the fiscal year, driven by strong demand in the plant construction and sales businesses. Regarding shareholder returns, first of all, the planned annual dividend for this fiscal year is 152 yen. In addition, we have announced the acquisition of treasury stock. The acquisition price upper limit will be 5 billion yen, and the acquisition will be carried out within this fiscal year to improve capital efficiency. We have increased dividends for 16 consecutive years, and we will continue to strive to return dividends to our shareholders with a total return ratio of 50% and DOE of 5% in mind.
Regarding the full-year earnings forecast for the fiscal year ending March 2026. Although there are differences by business, the overall figures announced on August 7th remain unchanged. Net sales are 254 billion yen. Operating income is 36.5 billion yen. Ordinary income is 36.5 billion yen. And net income is 25.8 billion yen. Although the semiconductor market and other economic conditions remain uncertain, excluding a temporary increase in expenses, profits are expected to be roughly the same as the previous year. I would like to explain the medium-term management plan. As for our company-wide issues, there is no change to the content that was listed at the start of the second stage. Regarding the important measures that are currently underway, the new core system that is scheduled to start operating in October next year and the next generation showroom that is scheduled to open in April are both progressing as planned. Also, regarding the concept of the Central Research Institute, active discussions and studies are currently underway on the concept draft. As for NKK and NICHIAS improvement activities, which are now in their 11th year, in addition to the traditional categories of improvement, we are also working on development and cultivation. We will continue to strive to be a cheerful company that is easy to work for and full of smiles and thanks.